Rhea, wow. This is wow. This is absolutely perfect. It's designed beautifully, and it's just you nailed it. Let's go through the presentation, and I want to talk about design first, so we can drill some things down to get the design down perfect. Then we'll talk about the actual. Okay, so the reason I'm going through this so quickly, like paging through it like that, I want you to watch Save the Trees when I go from page 1 to page 2. See how it jumps over like that and changes size? Well, no, it doesn't change size, but it definitely jumps over like that. So let's make sure that's anchored down on each page. Same thing with um, your text block. See how it kind of moves from there? That headline, it starts way over here. Then we switch the page and it kind of jumps up. There's a headline, moves up to there, and then the body copy starts here. The purpose is handled beautifully. This brainstorming ideas, again, same thing. Like the page changes again. See, watch here. You've set up here. You've established this cadence through the second page, and then all of a sudden, boom! Now that narrow column just kind of throws us. So watch those background pages. Let's get those locked down. And then your thumbnails are great because here's where they start. Like they should start in the same spot. Okay, I see the headline starts in the same spot, but that corner right there should remain consistent when you switch pages for the thumbnails. And the area in which they're being shown should remain consistent. Okay, looks like, yeah, the type is jumping around a little bit from page to page, and so is the sketch. This one's going to have to, of course, because it's a different size. Okay, and then so you have your final sketch size, so that's great. So you can establish those as a regular area to show those and to really have your type locked down. Great job, great job. Final collateral sketch, again, that's a different size. Let's get that consistent. I'm wondering if we need some information over here, only because on the side, because you've started this area as a text area, and then it just kind of stops. And in some areas you use it as a text area, and others you don't. So I mean, try to get a little something in there just so that we maintain that consistency that is a text area. Okay, so let's go back. Design wise, yes. Okay, so those same size, consistency. 3D giveaway items, it looks like those are presented pretty consistently. That's awesome, by the way. That's some of the best work I've seen. This is beautiful, just beautiful. So really, really nice job there. This is clearly by far the best giveaway item I've seen in the class. The mock-up, the idea, everything. It's just wonderful. Good job there. This is a problem though. This is it's just a handout. I mean, like that's going to get thrown away. What can we do with this? Besides saying, oh, go here and you can get this. What can we do to prevent people from throwing this on the ground at the trade show? And can we give it some sort of use? Okay, and then the only other thing is, there is no other thing. I was going to talk about your materials, but your materials are good. Let's get some fact in there. So, like you might want to put your citations right underneath that, like 100% recycled post-consumer fiber, pulp fibers, and possible dyes. I mean, give us some research citation there and tell us why that is. Tell us exactly what you're using. I'm going to leave this little list, this little right here, materials, just as an example. I'll post it in with your video just so you can see how your materials kind of should look. Okay. Other than that, you were just really super impressive. Great job. Thanks very much.